Ever wonder how some people seem to effortlessly navigate complex problems, making decisions that consistently lead them to success? They're likely employing strong critical thinking and decision-making skills, a cornerstone of success in any field or aspect of life. Today, we're diving into the intriguing realm of critical thinking and decision-making. These two skills, when mastered, can turn even the most complex problems into manageable tasks and lead to effective decision-making. Start by enhancing your critical thinking, for which the first step is gathering as much information as you can. Dive deep into research, probe with questions, and seek diverse perspectives. It's crucial to embrace a variety of viewpoints before forming a conclusion. After gathering information, it's time to analyze it. Break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable parts. Look for patterns, evaluate the evidence. This process helps you spot biases or logical fallacies that could cloud your judgment. A critical thinker should also boast strong reasoning skills. Connecting ideas logically, recognizing cause and effect relationships, and spotting inconsistencies are all part of this. Refining your reasoning skills leads to more informed decisions and helps evade common traps. Shifting gears to decision-making, a simple yet effective technique is weighing the pros and cons. List down the advantages and disadvantages of each option to gain clarity on potential outcomes. Prioritizing these factors based on their importance to you can make the process even more effective. Being open to alternative solutions is another key aspect of decision-making. It's easy to become fixated on a single approach, but considering different possibilities can lead to innovative solutions and help you avoid tunnel vision. Finally, always remember to learn from past decisions. Reflect on the outcomes, both positive and negative, to refine decision-making skills. Every decision offers an opportunity to learn, grow, and make even better choices in the future. In summary, enhancing critical thinking involves gathering and analyzing information, developing strong reasoning skills, and constantly refining these abilities. Effective decision-making comes from weighing pros and cons, being open to alternatives, and learning from past choices. Regularly practicing these skills can transform you into a more effective problem solver. The journey to mastering critical thinking and decision-making is rewarding and can lead to significant personal and professional growth. Thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to exploring more enlightening topics with you in future discussions.